so weird to see these birds coming up. See that car that he's got thankfully he stopped for it. He's injured. He's injured. What is it? It's some sort of duck. It's a duck yet. Get out of the way at the fire station. Some sort of duck. It's a whistling duck. His wing is broken. Someone just picked it up and gave it to me. I don't know why I should do. I'll call Mark again. Here in Frankstown, I just rescued this little whistling duck. You see it's bleeding profusely. And I think I contact DOE. You know, I don't think any of their officers are available to help, but the enforcement officer is being very helpful. He's going to try to locate someone, or I'll probably go to the parrot sanctuary. It's bleeding quite a bit, so I'll try to yeah, it's right in the middle of the road there. In front of the fire station actually. I don't know how they didn't see it. So I'll try to keep it in here until I can get something sorted.